Mahatma Gandhi said that cleanliness is next to godliness. In the abode of clouds, that is, the state of Meghalaya, in the far flung northeast of India, shows the way for societies at large on what it means to be clean and keeping the surroundings clean. Not very far off from the Indo Bangladesh border is the Asia's cleanest village called Molinong, also referred to as God's own garden. It is tucked in the East Khasi Hills and is surrounded by a karst topography, making the region rich in limestone. Molinong has a population of about 900 people as of 2019, and the place attracts a lot of tourists every day who get enthralled by the waste management practices of the village. It was declared the cleanest village of Asia in 2003 and the cleanest in India in 2005 by the Discovery India magazine. The visitors also get an insight into the traditional living roots bridge that are made out of rubber trees, and these bridges sustain for generations to come. Once deemed to be a poor village, Molinong now is a rich place that opens its hearts for tourists. The place is extremely strict when it comes to disposing of waste, and people discard them in traditional bamboo conical baskets called ho that serves as dustbins. Keeping the surroundings clean has been a part of the Khasi culture and behavior. The sight of holding thistle brooms in hand and sweeping up dead foliage and garbage is a common sight. In fact, children from a very young age are encouraged to take up sanitation seriously. Many people from the capital city of Shillong say that seasonal epidemics in the past might have encouraged this 100% literate village to take up cleanliness religiously. There is segregation of wet and dry waste, wherein the wet waste is essentially kitchen waste in the form of vegetable peels, and there are other biodegradable wastes like dried leaves that are utilized further as compost manure for growing plants and vegetables, thus making it an organic haven. Piggeries are a very common sight in Meghalaya and the other northeastern states. Hence, the leftover foods like rice, vegetables, meat, etc. are fed to the pigs. From a climate change perspective, this helps in ensuring no food wastage, thereby reducing the carbon footprint. The Khasi society is traditionally a matrilineal society where women are seen in dominant roles in households as well as enterprises, and keeping environment in an orderly fashion is given a priority. Every home in the village has a toilet, which paves way for the seriousness of water, sanitation and hygiene practices, and setting an example for being open defecation free. The drainage system is good, as the locals have taken the effort to build concrete pathways and proper drains under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Molinong also sets an example for the world to adopt clean energy. Spotting solar panels for electricity needs is something very common inside this village. The tag of being the Asia's cleanest village has been a unique selling point, a reason for attracting sustainable ecotourism. As the villagers have acquired this quintessential skill of managing litter, this art does not come for free. This village has sustained through ecotourism because people are actually paying for good governance and the cultural aspect of ecosystem services. The state of Meghalaya officially does not have a landfill but has a dump yard. Waste generation is directly linked to climate change because of methane gas emissions that has a huge global warming potential, giving rise to a warming planet. Molinong, on the other hand, is giving goals to nearby villages, other northeastern states, and even the whole country to manage its waste problem. It also means keeping the nearby streams and springs clean, keeping bad odor in check by having cleaner air to breathe, which otherwise has become a luxury in many Indian metropolitan cities where air quality index, that is AQI, is as severe as 900 or sometimes even more, and has somehow become a new normal. Such an environmental menace does not affect just one city, but an entire region that has a direct proximity to the fragile Himalayan ecosystem. Managing waste is even more relevant at a time when the whole world is reeling through a pandemic. This village was already declared a model village for the entire country to emulate for India's flagship program of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in 2015. Will we witness more of such model villages like Mawlynaung in the near future? Only time will tell how we manage waste and how we pay and use to keep the mess at bay. Is the world prepared to have a lifestyle change built around sustainability and follow the footsteps of Mawlynaung in a growing era of consumerism and climate change?